Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to learn few more text functions. But first of all, let me tell you that we will have a separate video completely for how to apply a paste special. But here one particular functionality of paste special need to be understood. Here you may see that I have applied a function of proper and trim and got this result. However, if I want to copy and paste it in this place or anywhere, then it will not work because the function is getting pasted. You may look at the formula bar. So the solution to this is you need to set your cursor where you want to paste it, right click, paste special, and then you need to select values and click on OK. Okay, so now the time has came to understand few more text functions. So let's start. The first function that we need to understand here is the left function, and before that we can understand the right function as well. So first start with the right function. What I'm going to do here, you may see the pin codes. They are in the extreme right side and they are all of 6 characters, so that's a good thing. I want to get the pin code out of this sentence, so because it's in the right side I can simply apply a right function. In this right function you may see two parameters. The first one is a text and the second one is num_chars, that stands for number of characters. So as a text I have selected this particular cell because I want to extract the pin code which is in the extreme right from this cell only. So I have selected this cell as a text, comma, number of characters. It's asking for that in this particular text how many number of characters you want to extract from the right side. So pin code are of 6 characters here, so I am giving 6, bracket close and enter. Because there is a uniformity in the data, you may simply drag it and you will find the solution to this. But you are not going to be so lucky every time. Like in this case, I am going to extract a name. So in the first case, the name is of 3 characters. So, and it's in the extreme left side, so I'm going to apply left function. Again, as a text, I have selected this cell, comma, and as a number of character, in the first case it's 3, so I have given 3, bracket close, enter. But this is not going to be a solution because here the name are of not as similar characters. So I'm going to drag it and you will find that I have not got the solution, because here it's giving me the output for A2, here it's of A3, and the number of characters are 5. But one thing that you have understood, I believe, is that how you need to apply left and right function. And definitely don't worry, we are going to understand that how we can get the name in a single go. So this is it. In the next video we are going to understand a very important function which is find. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.